Hey golfers, it's Gracie with WTI. Are you having trouble with your swing? Is your ball going too far left or too far right and you're just struggling with accuracy? Well, good news. This checkpoint swing laser from EyeLine Golf will really help to keep your swing on the right plane. Everything you need comes in this handy little bag, which you can also attach directly to your golf bag. It's super simple to use. All you do is just attach the laser to your club, put the strip on the ground, and start your backswing slowly while keeping the laser in the center of the strip. And then you'll start to see the second laser appear on the strip as soon as you start your downswing. So based on where the laser points on the strip, that's what helps you to see what area you need to work on, whether your club is too flat, too steep, or how far away or close you need to keep the club from your body. This tool really helps you to slow down and focus more on your swing. So they recommend making 10 slow motion swings while keeping the laser in the center of the strip. And then use a different club without the laser on it and try to replicate the same feel. Keep in mind, this tool is just for practicing your swing without actually hitting a golf ball. My husband loves how convenient it is because he can practice in any room of the house or even take it outdoors. He's been practicing with both his irons and his driver to really help improve his accuracy. He's noticed it's definitely helped to make him more consistent in hitting the ball more straight and giving some added distance as well. So he says he's been very pleased with his new and improved golf swing ever since he's been using this checkpoint swing laser, but that's just our point of view.